Hello, and what's wrong with my screen? It's being weird as fuck right now. Okay, is it my actual? What? Hello and welcome to guess how to fail. Fuck you, Keep. And how to fail at UI. So this is gonna be like a tutorial, I guess. Okay.
How to fail.
Yeah. Okay, Keep. Don't make me mute you, Keep. It's not that hard.
Okay, fine. I know it's not. I'm just bored. So I felt like ruining your video a little bit.
Okay.
A few seconds. Okay, I'm done now.
Okay. So, actually, I'm going to be using some really cool effects I learned about. Let's do it. Okay. Basically, so the basics of what I use for UI first is you got right here. That is Sexy Map. So that's Sexy Map. If you're wondering why my objectives is over here, that's Move Everything. If you want to know where you get them, most of them are off Curse. You can basically get them pretty easily. Search them. I could put a link in the description, but I'm lazy. Up here, you got right there. That's that right there. That is the Titan Control Panel. It's a really good add-on. It has a lot of good features, which I will go in more depth in a bit. The one giving me the quartz, I'm not sure. It's probably one of my many resource gathering add-ons, but I will go through all of my add-ons. I will slowly go through them. So if you want my thing to look exactly like yours, you just want to get all of them. That's the easiest option. There are going to be a lot of them. See, a lot of it is stuff that you probably don't need. A lot of it's stuff I never use, but I have installed on my computer because RAM is not really a problem for me right now. So I might as well just go with what I can, as much as I can get away with. So, if you're wondering why this is all like this, this is all freaking dominoes. These actually, the little group, I think these are actually part of Titan Control Panel. I'm pretty sure. Oh, also this experience bar being up there, that's also dominoes. Okay. Oh, and this is also dominoes up there. A lot of things. I think this is also a product of Dom. I think the chat box is also a product of Domino's. Okay, there's a lot of stuff that's Domino's. This is getting pretty crazy pretty soon. That is Recount. In fact, I'm not just gonna wipe it. Let's just do a big, like, wipe that slate clean. Just like wipe that slate clean right there. Okay. Back to pen. Okay, so as you can see, this is Recount. It's pretty simple. It's just a pretty simple add-on. Generally, most people expect people to have Recount. If you don't have it, it's very easy to post shit in Recount. I will go through that more in that, definitely in that bit. But Recount's fairly common. Basically, if you go into a raid, you should expect that at least one person will have Recount and you can ask for it. I'm trying to think about any other major UI. I don't think there are any other major UI. Oh, wait. Almost forgot about it. That is a add-on, like add-on pull-out panel or something. I don't know. It's I'll probably see when I go into more detail on my add-ons. Okay, that is basically the basics. I'm gonna call that. Let's get out of pen mode. Oh shit! Look at all the shit that's happened there. That's the base. I'm just opening shit up right now. Okay, so as you can see, that is the start of what my basic add-ons are. I'm pressing shit a lot because I'm tired and shit. What else? Interface. Here we go. Add-ons. You can see, if you guys don't know how you change a lot of your add-ons with this. I have NPC scan. Not as much of a UI add-on, just the UI, just an add-on in general. Atlas loot. I really don't use it, but I know it's an important thing. In fact, I load it because I don't even think I have it loaded. Auctionator. I will go more in depth on. In fact, I shall do that now because I feel like that deserves a bit more in depth. Okay, I use Auctionator and fucking, I don't know what the other one is, Auctioneer or something. I use both, so I don't know which one's doing what. I just suggest you get both, because getting both is not too, I'm not sure how taxing it is. Again, I'm sadly, I do not have a very good count of, like, what is taxing and what isn't taxing. It's also very hard to do this while opening. Okay, will I even be able, I won't even be able to open. I guess I'll get back to that later. Okay, well, I guess I have to do this. Okay, so Auctioneer, okay, yes, I have many things. I have this, okay, Appraiser, Auction. I'm not sure where all of these come from. I want to say these all come from Auctioneer, but a bean counter might be his own separate thing. These I know come from a different one auctioneer because you can tell with the different tab colors, but I have a lot of add-ons to deal with auctions. We will go into that a bit more depth again later. I'm just right now doing a quick overview of shit. Bagon is, oh, I guess that is a big UI one. That's this. I talked about in an earlier video. Dominoes is, I guess what I talked about there. I will talk a bit about how you can configure Dominoes. Basically, you want to look on your nice map. For me, it's a nice, sexy map. Wink, wink. Nudge, nudge. Giggity, giggity. But you open up that. Allows you to move shit around basically wherever the fuck you want. I'm not gonna play too much with it because sometimes you. Also, it's also great when if you're starting off with key binding. It's very easy to key bind. You just go into key bind mode. You can go character specific, or you can make it for your entire account. Which is, I have the general thing. So if I don't know, I have a special mouse with a bunch of buttons on it. That's why I have all my major abilities bound up to all these buttons. And then I have my basically every open key bound to something, even if I'm not using it. So it's kind of like I just have it there in case maybe in another expansion I get a really nice spell that I want to be on a very specific key, because I'm able to very simply associate with that. Okay, back to add-ons. So what's actually an add-on? Epic Music Player. I'm not using that right now. Personally, I think Wild Music might be trademarked. I'm not sure about that. Oh, even though it does not come with time panel, it does have time panel support. So you're able to have it set up in time panel, which is awesome. I do have that stopped because I don't use it. Flight map. Let me just open up the map. Actual map with a bunch of shit. It shows you all the flight routes. It tells you what the coordinates of each of the different flight routes are, which ones you have discovered. Very, very useful because if you're trying to get to a location and off like a website or something, a lot of times they're going to give you coordinates. Personally, that probably is the one actually giving me these coordinates too. But they're going to give you coordinates. And trying to find the closest flight path can be annoying as shit. I have GTFO, which basically just makes noises whenever the frick you, I'm gonna click that. It's quite useful actually. Whenever something you're doing, standing in fire or dying or anything. Handy notes. I do not know what that is, but I have it. Oh wait, I want to say that is. Handy notes might be the Timeless Isle one. I will talk about that. No. Okay, handy notes might be the Timeless Isle one. I'm pretty stupid, but do I even have this yet? It's the one. I feel like it's the Timeless Isle one, and I'm pretty sure that's where I get to see all the fucking chests. If I had an Averti rated Timeless Isles, there would have been a bunch of chests on here. That's super useful when starting out Timeless Isles. I want to say it's handy note. If it's not, just Google Timeless Isles chest thing misspelled. That's for me to fix my spelling, even though I'm a very bad speller. Which is hilarious because I spell very poorly because I never use it, even though if I ever go into, where is it, add-ons with the most memory, misspelled is using the top memory. If I was intelligent, I would be shutting that one off because I don't use it. I mean, obviously if you do misspell things and you actually think you would fix it, I would use it, but if you're having trouble with your computer running while it's on, take it off because it's at least using up 8 megabytes, which isn't anything for me at all. But for some people it is. I use Move Everything. I will go in a bit more depth with this one because this one's a bit more important. How do I open this? I guess most of the time would it just be slash. Oh wait, actually I forgot. That's a little thing right here. Awesome. You really have, it basically allows you to move, but it says anything. For example, this I can move that. It's so useful in so many scenarios. If you want to know what I actually used it for personally, I'm just gonna close that. I used it to move my target and things so it would be right on my face. Because I actually had a different UI that I was using that I kind of liked. It was called, I want to say NUI. And basically NUI was just a new UI that it made, let me just get a pen really quickly. Basically, imagine like this. It made like one for health. Depending on what setup you had, it made like one for health and like one for mana. Or one for health and mana and one for your targets, one for your targets, health and mana, and they were basically not as poorly drawn half circles like that, and that was very nice. I liked that, but I couldn't find a way to get it working well by itself without the entire new add-on, which sucks because I liked that thing, but I wasn't the biggest fan of the entire UI. It was okay. I'm not saying it's bad. It was good for a while, but then I found Dominoes, and I enjoyed that much more, so I stuck with that back to interface. This is a slide. Oh, it's as you can read, if you want to write that down, no Ganner slide bar. That's this. Very nice. You're able. I think you're able to put more in. You're able to lock slide bar. Okay, so we'll do that. Phase unused. I like that. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure that that and let's open up the interface again to make sure that is done. Good, because I really don't use that often, but it's nice. I think I talked about this in my fucking Frost guide. So if you're Frost mage, you want more about this, more in depth. This is basically, let me just reset editing position, which is how you open up the editor. I think there you can also type /power or classic or something. I don't know. That's the quickest way I know of. This is one that allows you to have things pop up when you have buffs on you, which is very useful for trinket procs, especially if your class has a lot of trinket procs instead of trinket uses. That's not as big in PvP as I've learned since I've started doing PvP, but in PvE trinkets usually have procs. In PvP they're more of, actual abilities. And for that, actually, if I'm going to point something out, you might want to use Tell Me When, which is an add-on, which I'm assuming it's not on this list, is it? No, not. You might want to use Tell Me When, which is another add-on, which I will go in depth in a bit, if I remember. Recount. Recount's pretty simple, not that hard. Sexy map. This allows you to change the scale if you want it to be huge as fuck. Which I'm not joking, on some characters I have it huge as fuck, cause but or you can have it a little less crazy, or you can have it basically non-existent. I'm not sure if you'll make it non-existent, but basically, like, you're not gonna notice it if you hide it by that. I'm gonna put it back to what I had it, cause I like a ping mini map because I actually use the mini map. You're also able to have auto zoom on and off. I turned it off. I do not like auto zoom. Oh, tell me when it is on the lineup. It just allows you to change some things. You're able to make it so that it will detect. It's kind of like, another option would be to use Power Order Classic, but I kind of enjoyed Tell Me, because I wanted to learn Tell Me When. That's another thing. I also kind of did it to learn Tell Me When. Tidy plates. Let me try to see this. Let me get into a location where tidy plates shall apply. I'm pretty sure training dummies are partial to getting tidy plated. If that makes any sense. It probably doesn't. Will you be tidy plated? No, I'm not quite sure what makes it happen. Primary spec. Do I have to start attacking? Whatever. Tidy plate is a very good plate thing. If you watch some of my early videos, you probably will see tidy plates popping away. I'm not sure how to make it work properly. Oh wait. I'm gonna go second here. DO damage because I am doing okay. I probably will chance it because I am in second spec, even though this is my main spec. Which is stupid, I know, but I'm a retard. I get it. Now I got Titan Pale, which you guys saw. And I will go more in depth with that because that's a really great add-on. Okay, so built-ins. These are a bunch that are recording. Shut up. Okay, so as I was saying, here's a bunch of. I think you can turn on and off depending on whether or not you like it. Oh. Keith is apparently annoying the fuck out of me. Okay. Okay. Oh, maybe that's to draw attention. So everyone's gonna look at me like, oh wait, is that a YouTuber? Oh, it must be. I'm not even noticing that. Yeah, he said YouTube. Apparently he's now intrigued. Oh my god, it's like a great way of advertising. It's like, oh, you guys should check out. Okay, I'm getting that's weird as fuck. Whatever. Okay, there are a bunch of built-ins. General, it works with a lot of animals actually. So I'm not using these currently. Some people might. Not my thing. Tell me when again. Information. Interface. I'm actually using Epic Loot Player. Not even though I really probably shouldn't. Professions. More for that configuration. Actually, I guess that's the thing. You can make it auto hide. I don't. I like it out there. You're able to make it manage what characters it shows. Actually, this is a really cool thing. First off, it shows you how much bag space you have open left, which is very useful. So basically, it will show me what I have in all of my characters. And for this to work, you have to log onto the character with Tell Me When. So if you want it to work for all your characters when you install Tell Me When, just go to all your characters. Not that hard. But it will show me the combined amount of gold with all of my characters. And it will also show how many you've been, earned.
Happy? I'm advertising you.
I didn't ask for this, but okay.
You're not mad?
I don't really give a fuck. It shows you how much you earn per session, how much you earn per hour, which is very useful if you're somebody trying to estimate. I think it just kind of shows how. This is another thing that shows how much XP per hour and stuff, but not very important because well, why would this matter to me? Because I don't really use XP anymore because I'm not use XP.
Okay, have fun.
Oh,
Okay. What the fuck is he even advertising me? It's weird. Okay.
Take that, Dren.
Oh, I'm so mad, bro. Okay.
Why? Because I put a bubble on you?
I don't really care. So, this is all my add-ons. I will scroll as slowly as humanly possible. If you guys want to read them all, you can. I'm not going to. I will hit points on ones that I did not hit. And okay, there's a lot of DBM ones. Domino. I don't use Healbot. I did. I didn't. I downloaded it, but I didn't use it. That's not working, so I use some different ones. If I can figure out, I know there's a way that that's all the Blizzard one. I know there's a way I can make like a client on. I'm not sure if you have to have a paid account, but I know there is a way I can make a client. So I would make it so you guys could just literally download all the ones I have. That might make your computer run poorly because it runs fine on mine, but also not everyone has the same computer as me. Okay, as I said, Atlas Loop, don't know what it does. Auctionators, one of the auctioning add-ons I do. Auctioneers, another auctioning add-on I use. Bag Brother, not quite sure what that does. Bag On, obviously I showed you Bag On. CT, these are ones that open up my mail. I'm not sure what these are called, but these are just ones that open up my mail. They're nice. Deadly Boss Mods is obviously Deadly Boss Mods. Most people know it. Dominoes, I told you about earlier. Epic Music Player, I haven't went too in depth with, but I'm not planning on it. Basically, pretty simple. You can figure it out yourself. Flight Map, that's the one I told you about. Gather, interesting one. I don't use it, but it basically allows you to have like a little baby map that. This is gonna appear. I'm trying to appear. Baby map? No. Usually, it will make it so you have a little baby map that tracks ores and shit. I don't know. Never really used Gather it too often. I tried it once. I'm not the biggest fan. I still have it because obviously I have GTFO. Told you guys about Handy Notes. Yeah, that is okay. Handy Notes is a general add-on. Timeless Isles is a plugin. Okay, that's cleared up. Misspelled, I told you about. Again, that's another mail over that it was Dave Margit. That's actually a useful one that I will show you. How do I just load it on? Man, I forget. The easiest way is if I just go like this. Load a piece of gear like freaking this. I'm just gonna freaking what do you call it? Link some gear like my badass stuff. Okay, I gotta close this, I guess. Okay. So first you gotta link your gear like some badass stuff, and then you press Alt click. So you press Control click. Okay, one of the clicks. Oh, I actually need to search it to put in. Okay, yeah, no, that's normal. Alt click is no, that's not it. I'll figure out what it is. Is it Control left click? Yes, it is Control. No, it's Control right click. Okay. And now that you open up the Margit, there's also ways of doing it, but you're able to preview, race, gender, way more options. You're also able to load and save things, and there is a way that you can actually add things like that you don't have linked. This is the game that actually looks pretty badass. Let's see what it looks like on a female human. Yeah, that's totally just why. Yeah, let's. Yes. Go back to add-ons. That's a bunch of shit from Margit. Move Anything is the one I talked about earlier. QQ. Not talked about this, but I will. Close this. That's annoying. Okay, QQ just allows you to make queues for things. You can create queues. You can be pre-made, banlist, setups, but shit. Not that hard. They have one thing on there that is really good. Fantastic tooltips. Same with Auctioneer. So if you're just starting, not that hard. Power Class, told you guys, Recount. Reforge Lite. That is for Reforging. I never Reforged, so I don't know how to use it. Tell me what. Tidy plates. More tidy plates. Oh, that's a tidy panel, but whatever. Same thing. Not the same thing. TomTom. Again, it is used for something. I never got it working. So I'm not sure what that is. WeakOrs. Again, used for something, but I never got it working. I'm pretty sure it's something similar than Power Order. I'm pretty sure it's pretty similar to Power Order Classics, but I'm not sure because I never really got it working. Xloot. Never got working. Or I probably have worked. I'm just not using it. And I will call that a video. I'm just gonna do a bit of sketching, like a bit of smiles. Yeah. Oh, actually, I always want to do this. Okay, you got your. Damn it. God damn it. Okay, you got your drum right there. Okay, he's retarded. And then you got your mailbox right there. Okay, now boom, you got your stupid guild chat right there. And then you get your recount right here. And then you got your fucking chords right there. And then you got your fucking time. Yes, I'm recording at 4:57, 4:55. Okay, then you got your dominoes right here. And then circle that. Okay, so we are the X's and they are the O's. And we want a hug. Okay? 1, 2, go. Okay, I'm gonna call that a video. Thanks guys for watching.